This is part 4 of the 1936 Tolkien Beowulf lecture. I will link to the other 3 parts below, and yes, that's all you need to know, really. Okay. So, the timeless power of Beowulf. Again, I'm reading notes because once I have a better understanding of all this, I probably won't need to do that so much. But this is what happens when you start studying a subject. It's just sometimes you need your notes. So bear with me. Okay. Beowulf, an ancient poem of heroism, monsters and fate, but what makes it truly timeless? Why does it still resonate centuries after it was first told? I think as well there's a lot of nostalgia involved in that. I read it, fell in love with it, and now I study it and make videos on YouTube about it. Yeah, so it's affected me quite a lot. Many think of Beowulf as just a legend, a tale of a great king, his battles and his fall. But its power lies not in history, not in the names it preserves, but in something greater. Dark silhouettes of Grendel, Grendel's mother, the dragon. The true enemies in Beowulf are not men, they are monsters, beasts beyond human understanding. And that is why the story is more than a war between kings. It stands above history, outside of time. Fucking hell. What was I drinking that day? Tea, because I'm teetotal. Well, 99% sober. I have a video on my reasons for that, so you can find it. It'll be fine. This is not a primitive tale. This is a reflection of the world that was already fading when it was written. A world of warriors, honour and looming fate. That world is gone, but Beowulf remains. Just barely. I mean, we believe that the manuscript that's in the British Library at the minute is a copy of a copy. So the original one is gone. Whether the original one is as Christianized as the current one that all this is based on, who knows? We don't know. It doesn't exist. And the one that we have now, we almost lost it in 1731 at the Ashburn House fire. Anyway. Paper burns, man. Come on. Protect that shit. And though it may not be the greatest poem of the Western tradition, Beowulf isn't like any other. Even if it had been written in the same unknown time, in an unknown place, it would still hold power. What's going on with my voice today? It's very deep and gravelly. But it was made here, in the northern world, beneath the northern sky. And for those who share its tongue, its land, and its legacy, it would always call until the last dragon comes. It's got some great one-liners in this lecture. This tea is still really hot. It's the same tea I was drinking on Monday and Wednesday. If you enjoyed this video of Beowulf, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think makes the poem so enduring? Yeah, please do. Please comment. Helps the algorithm. So that's it. That was part 4 of my Tolkien lecture video series thingy. Like I said, I will link to all the other ones down in the description if you want to check those out. And I will catch you next week. What are we talking about next week? Why is Grendel so terrifying? I guess we'll find out next week. So yeah, I will see you then. Have a good one. I'm going to edit these videos, I guess.